Waste management service in Apple Valley, Minnesota. For reliable and affordable waste management service in Apple Valley, Minnesota, trust Done Right Dumpsters. We specialize in providing efficient waste removal solutions for a variety of projects, from home cleanouts and renovations to large-scale construction jobs. Our dumpsters come in different sizes to handle everything from small household waste to heavy construction debris, giving you the flexibility to choose the right option for your needs. We offer flexible rental periods, so you can rent a dumpster for as long as necessary, making your project more convenient and cost-effective. Our straightforward pricing ensures you get the best value for your rental, with no hidden fees or surprises. At Done Right Dumpsters, we're committed to delivering outstanding customer service. Our team ensures prompt delivery and pickup, and we take care of all the logistics to make your cleanup as smooth as possible. We'll help you determine the best dumpster size and rental plan based on the scope of your project, ensuring that you only pay for what you need. Whether you're clearing out your home, renovating a property, or working on a construction site, Done Right Dumpsters is here to assist with your waste management needs. For waste management service in Apple Valley, Minnesota, call us today at 612-403-5999. Let us provide the dependable, affordable solution you need to get your project completed efficiently.